So I'm getting ready to potty them and then feed them. But I thought I would do another video since they're a little more active this time around. Ruger. Miss Pearl is playing Baby Face. Yeah. Mavis. She smells me. Mavis is busted Grammy. And for everyone wondering, yes, Mavis is still the smallest, but she's gonna catch up. There's no scientific evidence that says that the smallest puppy of a litter remains the smallest puppy. ONYX has found me. He's just trying to center in my scent. Gotta go pee first. You're getting all frustrated because you can't find Grammy? Emerald. That's the towel that my husband uses to sit on his lap. Girl, there's a girl, guys. Whoever gets her, you are gonna laugh yourself silly. She is the silliest goof ever. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there, you silly goose? What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Yep, there's Court. I smell Grammy. There he comes. You found me. Oh, I gotta pee, Grandma. Hold on. Hold on, Grammy. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Grammy, why aren't you sitting down so I can lay on your lap? Yeah. And there's Mavis. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, Grammy's gonna put the camera down and start taking care of the puppies.